Tired of sharing your Instagram stories on Facebook by mistake? I've got a solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to share your stories on Instagram only without worrying about Facebook sharing. Let's get into it. Open the Instagram app on your device and get started. Tap on your story from the top left corner of your screen to begin sharing a story. Once you're in the story creation page, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Now tap on story from the list of options. Scroll all the way down and find the option to share your story to Facebook. Slide the button to turn it off. Finally, tap on done to save your changes. Now, whenever you share your story on Instagram, it won't be posted to Facebook. And that's how you can share only on Instagram story without sharing on Facebook. Thank you for watching On & Help Guide. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss our upcoming videos.